you want to smell amazing all day, the secret isn't perfume. The secret starts with this drink.
First, boil some water. Add some dried roses.
Add 1 spoon of hibiscus.
Add 2 or 3 cloves. Add 1 cinnamon stick. Add 2 or 3 slices of orange.
Let it steep for 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy it warm or chilled. Tea has small note.
If you have low blood pressure,
Drink it in moderation. Like, if you love natural remedies. Share with a friend who loves self-care. Follow for a new natural beauty secret every day.